Here with Kevon Lambert, real quick. First of all, you came on in the game, to steady the extra body in midfield. How you find the game today?
I mean, it wasn't. I thought it was like too much tension. Like they were trying to set the pace too much. Like the way they play is like back and forth, aggression. Try to tackle, try to put the sting into the game. That's how they get their energy. And no coach just wanted me to go in and like calm it down a little bit. So I mean, it was like not for too long, but just to calm it down, and that's what I did.
All right, we on this side at Sports TV said that you played your way into a move at Real Salt Lake. First of all, congrats. How do you feel to be playing in the MLS and big boy in America right now? How does it feel?
I'm a big boy, man. Just a regular man again, man. Just a go and put in the work and do one thing, but it's a good feeling still.
All right. We know we see in a high press role in the Gold Cup, and today we see you come on just for steady the ship. Which role you prefer? Real quick to close the interview. Which role you prefer? The high press or just sitting in the midfield and keep it ticking over?
Prefer the role where coach see me playing in a particular game. If you feel like say if I play higher up or something, or play a little bit deeper, then that's what I do. But for me, it's just however I can help the team best, however I can help the team to win games, and that's just how I see it. So it's not really more comfortable. It's just like however I can help the team win.
All right, thank you, Kevon. Big up.